Hot Wheels, take one.
Take one.
Gotta go slow or else it'll fly off there. Whoa. Whoa. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Is it sink?
Go.
Oh! It made it. It gets better traction going backwards.
Yeah.
Because the wheels.
You need paddle tires on it now.
Well, if I switch the wheels the other direction, then it'll drive better like this.
And you got full turning too. That's hilarious.
Oop.
I wonder, hold on. I'm gonna put it down. You think you can drive back on it?
Maybe. If you hold it down low enough, it might. You gotta be able to get the front tires on it without flipping over.
Oh, that water feels good.
I know, it's perfect temperature. Here we go. Go a little lower. Push it down lower.
Get your front tire.
Oh, yeah.
Front left tire.
Oh yeah! That was awesome.
That whole